everybody, it's Rob Vegas, and of course I'm checking in from Melbourne, Australia with another awesome episode of Assemble the Troops. And there's nothing I like better than some quirky Cobra characters. And boy, oh boy, do we have a quirky Cobra character today. It is none other than Crystal Ball, the Cobra hypnotist. Now, of course, let's check out the figure. He's in really great condition, so I'm rapt about that. So we don't actually need to do any assembly of this troop today, so that makes my job a lot easier. But what is, of course, unusual is Crystal Ball himself. What a figure. He is quite unique in that he came with one accessory, which is his crazy hypnotic shield, and if you can see, it's got some kind of lenticular holographic action going on there. I do have to fix this one as it looks like it's coming apart, whereas the old stickers seen a bit of wear and tear. Maybe Crystal Ball has been hypnotizing too many people with said shield. But what a really crazy cool, unusual figure. So there he is. That's Crystal Ball. He's going to be going, hey man, time to be hypnotized. And boom. And you can see the hypnotizing action there in the camera with the lenticular shield. What an absolutely cool idea. Now, for whatever reason, I overlooked this one back in the 80s when he came out, so I never got myself a Crystal Ball OG back in the day, but he's here now, and he's gonna be using his special hypnotic powers to cause all sorts of mischief. What a cool figure. He's got this like fluffy jacket on. Great detail on the figure, you can see. And yeah, they certainly don't make them like this anymore, that's for sure. According to our old mate Crystal Ball's file card, which, if you'll bear with me a second. Okay, so we're rolling again with Crystal Ball. What an awesome figure. We've outlined that. Really crazy. Now, you did probably see in the last couple of frames that the lenticular holographic bit came like it's a sticker and it fell out. Not happy about that. So we're going to come up with some kind of gluing scenario where we're putting that in. In the interim, I am going to highlight the fact that Crystal Ball has a full card back. How good is that? Highlighting just how much of a crazy figure he is. And it does say, get the free fridge. So get the fridge. Good stuff. This was $4.99. Not sure if that's Aussie dollars, US pounds, or Canadian dollars, or francs, or whatever, but it is what it is. Of course, it's got all of the 1987 dudes on the back. I love the artwork. It is so cool. And we got a flag point, always a bonus. It tells us our friend Crystal Ball is born of a Romanian father who supposedly had second sight and an American mother from Maine. Crystal Ball was the seventh son of a seventh son. That sounds like an Iron Maiden song. Such men, the gypsies of old believed, were possessed of supernatural powers that may or may not be true. There's awesome stuff there. I love how much work went into creating these crazy Cobra characters. Isn't that cool and totally awesome? This is going to be a science experiment, cause we've got some glue. Oh dear, I really don't like using this stuff, but it is what it is. And then, as I always say, you just gotta roll with it. Get rolled over. But we gotta hook old mate Crystal Ball up with his shield and make it work. So we've got some super glue, probably going a bit over the top here, but what I'm thinking is just a few little blobs, nothing too dramatic. Yeah, like that. Alright, and then let's get that shield on there, or the apparatus I should say. Now I'm not going to touch it with my own hands because I freaking hate when you get super glue on your fingers and stuff and you're all you get that crappy glue on your hands and it's there for days. So I'm just going to do that, and plus it makes it look all fancy with Crystal Ball's special shield. And I think we've got that across the line, because that doesn't look like it's going anywhere, does it? I think we've grabbed the trophy on this one, folks. It's got a set, obviously, and I could do a video of that if you really want. But we appear to have there's a bit of glue that wants to come out over the top. But yeah, while we're letting this dry and having a bit of fun with Crystal Ball, obviously the big question goes out to you, the viewers. Did you guys have a Crystal Ball back in the day? Do you like the quirky Cobra characters? Because I sure do, and I've really come to appreciate them recently. Like, just how weird and fun they are. Like your crocodile, what is it, Croc Master, your Crystal Balls, your Dr. Mindbenders. Just how really quirky and ridiculous and fun the characters are. It really makes for an interesting collecting experience nowadays, and I can't get enough of them. Like, every time I probably back in the 80s I was like, oh, that character seems completely stupid, but now it's like, wow, that's really freaking cool. When I look, now that I think about it, and this is no exception. This is Crystal Ball. What a crazy character and concept, and how good it is to assemble this troop today and be able to share it with all of you folks out there, and fix his shield. So we did get some assembling done, so top shelf stuff. As always, folks, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know, did you guys have crystal ball back in the day? Did you not have crystal ball? Will you be enticed to get a crystal ball in the future from his hypnotic powers? Either way, leave a like, leave a comment, you know the drill. And subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be having a heap of G.I. Joe fun very soon. And yeah, I look forward to enjoying it all with you. Cheers, everyone. Bye for now.